Welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. Now, Jamaica ended the Central American and the Caribbean Games in Barranquilla, Colombia with 27 medals after adding 2 more medals, including a historic rugby bronze on Thursday evening. The quartet of Janelle Bromfield, Darian Hill, Tiffany James and Saniko Walker stopped the clock in 3 minutes 30.67 seconds to get silver in the women's 4x400 meters. The men's team, however, didn't have such success as anchor leg runner and national record holder RUSHEEN McDonald appeared to be tripped up heading into the home stretch and failed to finish.
I feel disappointed because we want a medal to go home to Jamaica to recognize and stuff like that. But it got work still.
Disappointing, but things do happen in races, so you can't complain with it. I'm just glad that all of us came out healthy. I really to see another, so.
The team had earlier added gold in the 4x100 meters as the quartet of Jura Levy, Natasha Morrison, Sharon Simpson and Janelle Smith crossed the line in 43.41 seconds, while the team with Nesta Carter, Romario Williams, Rashid Dwyer and Javoy Tucker copped bronze in the men's equivalent. Meanwhile, the rugby sevens team, which included Olympic bronze medalist Warren Ware, secured their first ever CAC medal, taking bronze after defeating Trinidad and Tobago 15-10 in the bronze medal match. Meanwhile, the nation's gold medal winning men's badminton team of Gareth Henry and Samuel Ricketts say their triumph on Thursday was a result of determination and tenacity rather than quality play. The pair gave Jamaica their first medal in the sport of badminton at the CAC Games since 2010 with a 2-1 win over Cuba. Ricketts and Henry defeated Olseni Guerrero and Leodanis Martinez 21-12, 11-21, 21-19 to secure the gold medal. Henry explained how the match unfolded from the second set onwards.
Gareth, just remember to smile. So I literally just started smiling because we know what that does to our mental. Like, it makes us realize that it's still a game and that we just need to try something. We're down, we have nothing to lose, just smile and play each point as it comes. And both of us started smiling. 17, we went all the way up and won 21-19. So it was, I can't believe it all now. Like,
it was a good showing, man.
It was a really good showing.
Jamaica ended the games with 27 medals comprising 12 gold, 4 silver and 11 bronze.